Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time, click on the subscribe button. My customer brought this phone to be fixed, and the model of this phone is Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. The customer says that the phone went off on its own, that he doesn't know what happened to the phone or why it went off. So after I checked on the phone, I discovered some certain things, which is so shocking that you yourself will be surprised at what I discovered. And when I look at the phone seems like the original one, that's the original S21 Ultra, but when I open it, this is what I discovered. I saw that the battery itself is different from the main original battery, and the inside of the phone looks so different from the original one. The camera, the screen, the battery, the SIM tray, and the charging system, everything is totally different from the main original one. And when I moved the battery up, I discovered that there are wires at the down. For sure, this phone is not the original one. It's not the original S21 Ultra. And the funny thing is that I don't know if the owner is aware of this. So after fixing the phone starts working. As you can see, the phone is on. But I'll be explaining the phone settings, the storage, and everything that is on the phone, so you'll be able to see and judge yourself if truly this phone is the original S21 Ultra or the fake. And another thing is that this phone takes a whole lot of time before it can boot to the menu. And after putting on this phone, you can see even the touchpad of the screen is not that effective as the main original one. But we'll be reviewing the settings which are on the phone. Now we are on settings. We have to check the storage and the Android version and so many other things. As you can see, the touchpad itself of the screen is not responding. You can't go back unless you go back to home, but still we'll look for a means of getting into the settings so you can be able to see for yourself and judge if actually this is the main original phone. As you can see, this phone comes with the storage of 512 gig, and you can see it's saying that 145 gig of the phone storage has been used. And I would like to make something clear: the storage you are seeing on this phone is not real, it's fake. That's not the actual storage. Don't be surprised that this phone is just 16 gig storage on it. As you can see, the phone model is Galaxy S21 Ultra, and this is an Android phone. The Android phone is latest, as you can see, but these are not real. So please, whenever you come across this kind of phone, make sure you avoid buying them, else you have to regret it, because there are a whole lot of these fake phones in the market. You understand? But unknowingly, if you are not smart, you won't be able to recognize that these are fake. Thank you for watching, and please click on the like and subscribe button for more videos.